After the Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack and the Bobby Compact comes the BOBYBIZZ, a multifunctional bag that lets you carry around your digital office safe and comfortable. As a digital nomad, office is wherever you go. Your whole professional life fits inside one backpack, so better make sure it's safe to carry around. On the go, it's a comfortable, solid and water-repellent backpack that features easily accessible pockets for metro cards, phone and earphones. Of course, it's impossible to steal or cut open due to the hidden zippers and knife-proof inner layer. Got an important meeting coming up? Let's work on that first impression. The shoulder straps are easily hidden to turn your backpack into a professional briefcase. The BOBYBIZZ is designed to keep your fragile belongings safe. Vertically, it only opens up 45 degrees to prevent items from falling out. But for organising your belongings into the many protective pockets, it opens up all the way. Working from a coffee shop has its downsides. But the BOBYBIZZ keeps your stuff secure while you're picking up your mocha latte. A steel wire construction makes it impossible to cut away your bag. Although being on the move all day doesn't wear you out, it does drain your phone. The BOBYBIZZ features an integrated USB charging solution for your devices. When XD Design launched its last campaign, 15,000 backers helped us making the first Bobby backpack a reality. Our recent survey shows over 96% of them were happy with our delivery process, and we got a lot of positive feedback about our company, service and product. We just want you to worry less and travel more.
With GOTOUCH, you can turn the TV or projector you already have into an interactive whiteboard, so you can share your brilliant ideas, learn a new language, and use your computer like never before. Work more quickly as a group, whether you're all in the same room or thousands of miles away, connected by the internet. And of course, you can keep and share what you create. Setup is easy. Download the app and pair GOTOUCH with your smartphone or Windows PC. Connect it to your TV or projector and start creating.
Our team has been working on GOTOUCH for more than a year. It's already working perfectly in offices and schools across Korea. But we want to bring GOTOUCH to the rest of the world. To do that, we need your help to scale up our production beyond what we can make in our small office. Please support us on Kickstarter, and you can make any TV or projector interactive.
If you look around, buttons are everywhere, appearing color, shape, size, style, and in many other ways. There is one thing in common. To make them work, you push. What if you can push them without physically being where they are? What if you can make them work automatically on their own? It's MICROBOT Push, a tiny wireless robotic finger that can push any button. Now you can push this with your smartphone. Push is very easy to install and use. Just attach it on a surface where the button you want to push is located. Pair with this companion help TRONO box and use your smartphone to push it from anywhere, anytime, even from outside. No wires, no tools required. With Push, you can control your light switches, turn on your home computer from work, play music, start making coffee, turn off electric fan, and many other things. It's only limited by your imagination. Push is simple yet very sophisticated. We designed the gears and PCB from the ground up for the lowest possible power consumption and the maximum torque to push most of the ordinary buttons. In fact, you don't even need a smartphone to use it. It just works. TRONO box is the brain for microbots, and it's what automates them with other sensors and services. Using its groundbreaking user interface, all you need to do is scribble a note that describes how you want to automate your microbots. The autocomplete feature will also help you write rules. With TRONO box, you can start making coffee when you wake up. Get things on your desk ready when you enter your office. Lights when the sun goes down, and a lot more, all automatically without your smartphone.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Sport ist unsere Leidenschaft. Heutzutage wird es immer wichtiger, gesund zu leben und fit zu bleiben. Allerdings kostet dies uns viel Zeit und eine Menge Disziplin.
We developed the first smart sportswear that makes every workout more effective.
Our system is based on electromuscle stimulation technology that originated in the medical and rehabilitation practice.
A 20-minute workout with ANTELOPE equals up to 3 hours of a conventional workout.
Wir haben die Technologie, die dein Leben verändern wird. Sie wird dein Workout verbessern und dir helfen, deine Ziele zu erreichen. spielt dabei keine Rolle, ob du ein ambitionierter Sportler bist oder einfach nur in Form bleiben möchtest. Wir präsentieren die revolutionäre Antelope-Serie. Trainiere smart, du hast die absolute Kontrolle darüber, wie du dein Training gestaltest. Antelope nutzt die modernste EMS-Technologie, welche Muskelkontraktion durch elektrische Impulse hervorruft. Diese sichere und gut untersuchte Trainingsmethode kopiert die natürliche Muskelkontraktion. Ein zusätzlicher Impuls direkt auf den Muskel gebracht, aktiviert einen viel größeren Prozentsatz deiner Muskelfasern. Das ist das Geheimnis, warum Antelope im Vergleich zum normalen Training so effektiv ist.
Triathlon is a very time-consuming sport. You have to plan your schedule exactly to integrate into your day-to-day life, as every minute counts. Antelope helps me to achieve my goals in the most effective way.
Integriere Antelope in deine Lieblingssportart und mache dein Training noch effektiver. Verbessere Kraft, Ausdauer, Koordination und Schnelligkeit. Setze dich auf dein Fahrrad und trainiere zusätzlich zur Bein- deine Rückenmuskulatur. Trainiere beim Laufen auch deinen Oberkörper. Verbinde Ausdauer und Krafttraining. Egal ob draußen, im Fitnessstudio, im Hotel, auf einer Geschäftsreise oder zu Hause. Mit unseren Produkten ist alles möglich. Es gibt keine Grenzen. In den Antelope Suit sind modernste Elektroden integriert, die auf den großen Hauptmuskelgruppen platziert sind und alle zeitgleich aktiviert werden können. Bestehend aus einer extrem leichten und speziellen Kompressionsbekleidung mit integrierten Textilelektroden und Kabeln fühlt sich der Antelope Suit wie deine normale Sportbekleidung an. Verbinde einfach die elektronische Steuerungseinheit an der Seite deines Körpers und kontrolliere das System mit Hilfe unserer voll synchronisierten Antelope-App ganz komfortabel mit deinem Smartphone.
The prototypes are fantastic. Antelope won the ISPO Brand New Award at the largest and most prominent sports fair worldwide.
Now, we are ready for production. Please back us on Indiegogo.
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है
आज्ञा दो मां
क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़